presentation about plastic degrading enzyme evolution in coastal mangrove microbes. There is our member. My name is Eka Nursyani, student ID B1D023004. My name is Dania Karisma, we studied ID B1D023019.
Sampai stabil Jaya Aktif di 2014. My name is Tamanindra Aktif, student number B1D023007. Let's go!
Plastic pollution in mangrove ecosystem is increasing because the dense root structure of mangrove effectively trap polyethylene and polypropylene, which are highly resistant to degradation. The accumulation of microplastic in the sediment creates strong selective pressure on microbes, driving the development of specialized enzymes capable of breaking down the synthetic polymer. Mangrove microbes then produce enzymes such as lactase, lipase, alkanohydroxylase, alcohol dehydrogenase, and aldehyde dehydrogenase to initiate the degradation process and utilize plastic as a carbon source. Understanding this genetic and biochemical mechanism is important because it reveals how microbes adapt to polluted environment while also offering opportunities to apply bioremediation to reduce the impact of plastic pollution.
Okay, cause of genetic isolation in mangrove microbes relate to plastic degrading enzymes. Number 1 is habitat isolation or plastipare. Microplastic from a new habitat separated from mangrove sediment. Microbial that lives attached to plastic do not mix with sediment microbes. This special separation reduces gas flow between population. And then number 2, selection for plastic degradation enzyme pathways. Only microbial with plastic degradation enzymes, for example alkane hydroxylase, lactase, and lipase, can utilize plastic as a carbon source. Microbes without these metabolic pathways are included from the plastipare. This specialization community is genetically separated from the sediment community. And then last, biofilm formation as barrier to gain food. Microbes on the plastic suffer from a dense biofilm. The biofilm limits gain exchange with the general environmental microbes. Limited interaction accelerates gain separation and differentiation.
Okay, next is morphological metabolic differences between microbes cause variation in plastic degrading genetic pathways. Differences in microbial cell morphology and metabolic system generate variation in genetic pathways involved in plastic biodegradation. The ability to form biofilm in Pseudomonas sp, Bacillus cereus, and Actinobacter sp determines the success of colonization and enzyme penetration into polymer surface, where the biofilm acts as protective layer that supports localized enzyme production. Metabolically, each species possesses specific enzymes such as lactase, lipase, alkaline hydroxylase, alcohol dehydrogenase, and aldehyde dehydrogenase, which break polymer carbon chains into simpler monomers that serve as energy source. Metagenomic studies indicate that microbes in plastic-rich environments contain additional enzymatic pathways, with the dominance of Pseudomonas forming unique genetic profiles that determine degradation efficiency. This diversity in morphology, biofilm adaptation, and metabolic genetic pathways result in variation in degradation mechanisms and rates among microbial species. Okay, the next is method we use. The study used an experimental design combined with genomic analysis to examine the evolution of plastic degrading enzyme in coastal mangrove microbes. Mangrove sediments contaminated with plastic were randomly sampled at depths of 0 to 10 centimeters, and microbes were isolated on mineral salt media containing polyethylene and polypropylene as the sole carbon source. Culture were incubated for 30 to 60 days at 28 to 30 Celsius with vegetation, and isolates were selected based on biofilm formatting and gravimetric plastic mass loss. Microbial identification was performed through 16S RNA gene sequencing. Real shotgun metagenomics was used to analyze the evolution of plastic degrading genes such as lactase, lipase, dehydrogenase, and alkaline hydrolase. Plastic structural change after biodegradation will assess using SEM ATR, FTATR, and water contact angle measurements to evaluate surface and chemical alteration.
Convergent evolution patterns in plastic degrading enzymes. Convergent evolution in plastic degrading enzymes occurs when unrelated microbes develop similar enzymes due to facing the same environmental pressure in the plastic hair. Enzymes such as alkane hydrolase, ADH, ALDH, lactase, and lipase appear in many bacterial groups because the initial oxidation step on hydrocarbon change is the most effective adaptive pathway. Uniform ecological conditions such as nutrient limitation, oxidation stress, and the need to attach to plastic surface cause microbes to produce similar enzymatic solution. This process is reinforced by horizontal gain transfer, gain duplication, and modification of natural enzyme function so that plastic degradation abilities can emerge repeatedly and independently.
Okay, and last is conclusion. Microplastic is a mangrove sediment created a plastifer that cause genetic isolation because only microbes with plastic degradation enzyme are able to survive, resulting in population separation and differentiation. Difference is morphology, biofilm forming ability, and enzyme varieties such as lactase. Lipase, alkane hydrolase also cause different plastic degradation pathways to form. In addition, similar environmental pressure cause microbes from different lineages to develop similar enzymes, indicating convergent evolution in plastic degradation abilities.
Okay, this is reference we use. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.